and actually do it. I finally told him, like, you're getting it driving.
We had kids graduating high school and going into college, and it was just like there was always something more important. You know? Yeah. So it was up on Fairbanks for like 2.5 years. I drove it the first summer. I don't like it.
Yeah, from a year.
I would guess right around 2000. Yeah. I guess it's right around.
You're the RA?
I started in 2008.
I just got it. I didn't even know how to drive manual. This guy drove it home for me, and then I did it, and then he taught me the
Beautiful. Wow. Which is at the complete opposite end of the spectrum. That thing's been some hell and back.
Like the all right.
Yeah, he's got the right. I don't think that's good. Yeah.
The only ones that work.
Right.
I kind of. The thing about they work so good you can't do burn-ons.
So they launch.
I'll hold it. But he said it's heavy. So you can walk on. You can walk on.
I'll hold the car. Hold it. I'll hold it. Do I need to be starting to... Oh, thank you. Yeah. There's still a little truck.
Driving before that temperature dropped down. And I was like, okay, there's no way that I. So I took that put them intakes as I was ran it. And it sucks the air. She was like, oh, I appreciate it. So I took all that out.
Larry. Oh, well, I should go with you too then.
I was like, I can't just keep forking out money for you. Just
I found a guy online.
Hey, man.
Who was just like,
Not
I
the
want it
first to
out.
do it.
Yeah, I took his $100.
Next year I plan to put it on somebody. I've never worked my test. It's a restaurant thing. I don't, you know.
No, it's a gas
There was a blue split window that a guy offered to trade for Jose's car. Jose only has car for $12,000, and the guy offered him a trade for a split window. Yeah, he thinks it doesn't work much. I was like, bro, the whole underside of that car is worth more than it's worth more than mine.
Yeah.
I saw it. It is a big. And then when he's just like, oh yeah,
Static, by the way. I'm like, you don't, like, you ride that low all the time. Can't believe you own two of them.
The owner of the brewery owns like 7
Southsider.
Yeah, no, this is sick. It's so hard to Fuck you, why didn't you tell me about a C6? Yeah, it is. Sure is. Sure, thanks for the information, buddy. Yeah, I see you now.
Oh shit, are we talking about Daniel?
Yeah, the one with the Mustang.
Oh, nice.
Do you wanna?
I meant to grab one for myself, but I did not.
This one is fully charged.
Yeah, it's factory.
Because I don't like that. I want
Not really factory, but it is a Honda bumper.
Yeah.
They released them in 2020.
slow me down.
I've never even seen this bumper. That's why I asked.
Yeah. So it's a real one. There's a couple of companies making reps of them. I don't think they made it that many. The fenders are fiberglass.
Oh, okay, I got you.
I painted them. I just used rattle cans and
I got you.
I used the wrong color primer so they don't match exactly perfect.
Yeah.
So then I was just like whatever, and I just haven't got around to it.
It looks like a, I forget what he said. We got less than 2,000 miles. My last one had like. This is neat. It's cool. And they're only like 40 grand. They're cheap. Cheaper than Civic Type R. It is. And it's a contender. And it's a contender. So I don't know, it's cool. I like it.
You're not gonna see it, buddy.
But yeah, I had a normal 24 before, and I don't know, I seen one pop up in the receipt, so I just wanted to know.
Yeah, this is really good. I'm on a car for 40. That's a weird price. Oh man.
But like, it's got a strut bar in the back already for the rear shocks, make it a little bit more rigid.
This probably handles pretty nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
I've heard. I don't know. Do you know Road America lap times at all?
No.
Okay, so.
Anyway, this guy created his own web page that has all of the codes to build the car and whatnot, and then you can print it off the same way. But it's not 100% accurate. But I used his as just kind of a reference on where I was going to be. The Grand Sport X came in at 140. So I'm only like $4,000 between the Z06 and the Grand Sport X. So, and the only difference is the Grand Sport X.
Coyote or whatever.
Yeah, that's like Coyote.
Oh, there's a plug-in? I've never seen all the bikes like that.
Oh, it's pretty though.
Bro, it's too cool. It's saying so miles.